mix of Pilates, boxing, and dance. So as you know, most of the Filipinos love dancing here. So you might find this challenging at first because it's a mix of intense cardio, Pilates, which is to balance your intense cardio, and of course dancing just to help you have fun. Transition to going back to intense. So today I hope that you would find this a way to also bond with each other, connect with each other. I've also brought my group. They are from Enrich. Yes, it's good to, you know, connect with each other as well. And my group was actually founded during COVID, you know, and I have a big heart for domestic helpers, especially Filipinos, so that's why they're here. And I hope that you would also continue to have a healthy lifestyle. We're away from our families, and I hope that you would find this a new family for you. And yes, let's stay strong, keep healthy, and yeah, spread the love.
All right.
Budots na lang daw.
And back. Single. Double. Again. Forward. Woo. Back. Double. Salsa. Woo. Hip. 4. Up. Left. Woo. Hips. 4. Arms up. Salsa. Side. Side. And again, salsa. Side.
Sorry po, matigas.
Okay lang. Now, 1. Double up. Woo! Cross step. 3. 2. Again. Hold.
Yung kamay nakasunod.
Arms. Okay, forward. Double. Woo! Back. Double. One more. Up. Woo! Back. Last round. Salsa.
Dito tayo, nag-video sa may Saling Mundo. Ito, may Saling Mundo to yun. Ayan. May Saling Mundo siya. Nag-chat siya na siya ng kanya.
Yes! Yes! Keep going! Keep going! 8 up! Keep going! 8! Oi, oi, oi! I can see you! 6!
Nice work, Jessie.
Tired!
I don't even know how to get the combination. My God!
What happened?
This is harder than I thought.
This woman in the back, they're just...
Sixty dance, please.
Hi! Hello! Good morning!
Good morning. Sorry na nga, dancer na itong isang to.
Iba pala yung pagka-exercise.
Oh, there you go. Water. Nag-water na sila. And then our coach is just there doing nothing.
6, 5,
So, ayan na nga. Ayan na naman siya. So, we have a ninja here.
I'm feeling like Sophia.
Ano, parang galit ka na, girl? Parang galit ka na. Parang galit ka na.